Hi there, my name is Steve, and I'm a lean trainer here at SnapCab in Canada. And I'm here with Glenn Bostock, the founder and CEO of SnapCab. And we are sharing some of our experiences in Japan with Paul Akers and his 2-second lean experience. Glenn, where are we going today?
So in this video, we're meeting Umemura, the founder and chairman of Mifune.
So I'm the chairman of this company. I'm the founder. I'm Umemura. Nice to meet you all. I'm very happy to have you here for whole day today. I want really do your best to learn from us and get something out of us, and minimum of one that you will implement in your company. I hope that our company could help you, and hopefully you don't waste your day here. So we, Mifune, yes, we produce automotive parts. We are tier 2. Yes, we only supply to Toyota, but we do not deliver directly to Toyota. Tier 1 is our customers. Yes, we do supply to Tier 1, but some of the parts that we supply to Tier 1, they will not almost touch anything and then directly supply to Toyota. So, and then, but some of the parts, yes, that will implement it, or our parts will go into Tier 1 products and then supply to Toyota. So our production plan is the same as how many cars that Toyota needs to supply. Exactly the same number. So we don't plan it. We always receive the order. Then we will decide how fast, how many parts that we need to supply, by when. So it's simple. If Toyota stops their lines, our lines will stop. So Toyota, everybody uses. If you're a group of Toyota, then Toyota production system. Of course, you are familiar with TPS, correct? So you're here in Japan. Yes, I really want you to get the feeling what the real TPS is from us. Yeah, I know you are very familiar with lean. Yes, TPS, if you done correctly, then it's lean.
Yeah, right.
Yes. So I really want you to feel what TPS is. I love TPS because this is the most efficient, and without TPS we don't have any business. Just in time. すごい発音いいですね。My pronunciation is good, right? So in order to achieve just in time, definitely we need Kanban. Without Kanban, there is no just in time. No Kanban, no just in time. Yes, Kanban. You are familiar with Kanban? Yes, everyone? Yeah? Then, so who is using Kanban system in your company?
Good.
いいね、いいね。すごい、すごい、amazing. Yes, and having that actual Kanban, you have to run it. When I receive people from foreign countries and then they're talking about Kanban, I think they kind of struggle how to run it. Yeah, it's very difficult to manage Kanban. Kanban tend to be, if it's not running correctly, then Kanban is just becoming a just visualization sheet.
Okay.
Just the information is written. That's it. But actually you have to run it and use it and manage it perfectly every month. And really the Kanban information is really the all necessary information is in it. If you see the Kanban, you know immediately how many pieces per bin need to be and where and by when or by what time to where you need to be delivering. You cannot just put the Kanban attached to the bin and then yes, we are doing Kanban. It's not that simple. So Toyota's good part about TPS is that once you see it, you don't have to ask anyone about the information that you want. As soon as you see it, you can tell. Anybody, even myself, go to the Gemba and see the Kanban, I know immediately what they're doing.
Wherever you ask the question, that's where the answer should be.
It's difficult. So Toyota really stick with actual paper Kanbans. So anyone goes to the Gemba and see the data on the paper, then it's clear. How about you? Do you use a lot of IT and less paper at the Gemba or more papers? Yes, we do the same like you do. So every morning I visit Gemba. Oh yes, it's running correctly. Or oh, this is delayed. So can I help? Well, I can think so much by just watching without asking the employees. Yeah, just in time is easy to say but difficult to do. So if you do the just in time correctly, do you really need inventory? No. You can minimize the inventory. Inventory is, so if you have more inventories, that's the cancer. Because that's your money. That's actually you need a space, you need bins, and you have to deliver all the waste creates from the inventory. So you have to quit doing waste. So Toyota, including ourselves, we don't have warehouse. No warehouse. No need. When I visit other companies, and then they are so proud that here is our warehouse. So I simply ask them, why do you need it? You just, it's a pull system. Pull system. So if some customers buy the Toyota cars, then we produce. We are not manufacturing something that customer potentially buy. We don't do that. Toyota is opposite. Make sure the car is sold, then we produce. Pull system and Kanban system. Just in time.
This company is one of the best tier 2 or tier 3 company, actually. Maybe most strongest company for suppliers. Small suppliers.
Mifune さんは二次サプライヤーで一番強い会社だって。
You can see nice supply chain job. Maybe listen to this. And some, maybe they explain some of the quality assurance system, quality check system. This is also very important. So not only on the productivity, we are always facing at the quality assurance. So think about the customer satisfaction and think about the good products. Always. Then we can get money, profit, and sales.
Very important.
Don't chase only as a profit, productivity, or actual money. Always focus on the quality.
Customer satisfaction.
Customer satisfaction. Okay, enjoy this front tour.
Okay.
You can find another idea.
A lot.
If you have a question, anytime.
Okay, thank you very much. Awesome. Okay.
So that's an introduction, and now all that's left is to tour around the facility, which was quite large and quite interesting.
I think we should start at the headquarters,
okay,
where the process starts, where they receive the orders.
Excellent. Let's go there.